In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 crashing on Xbox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you get constant crashes while playing Baldur's Gate 3, or if you can't even make it past the main menu, there is a very clear reason on why this happens, and in this video I'm gonna show you the proper method to address this issue. So, if you enabled cross-save or cross-platform saves on Baldur's Gate 3 on your Xbox, and you have your Larian account connected to your Xbox or Microsoft profile, every time you open the Baldur's Gate 3, it is going to crash you. This has been a known issue for a while, and in order to fix this, all that you have to do is visit the official Larian website. So instead of going over to baldursgate3.game, go over to larian.com. This is the page where you will be able to sign into the Larian account that you use to manage your Baldur's Gate 3 saves and disconnect the Xbox account. Don't worry, all of your saves will still be there. We're only doing this to properly address the crashing issue. So when you visit larian.com, sign into your account at the top right corner of the screen, and afterwards hover over account and choose account once more. Now, you will be redirected to this page. All that you have to do is choose the Connected Accounts menu at the right side of the screen. So under General Information, which is the default, go over to Connected Accounts, and you should have your Xbox account connected. All that you have to do now is select Disconnect and Confirm. It's as simple as clicking this button. With this done, you can now go back into your Xbox and Baldur's Gate 3 should launch without any issues. Now, I don't know why this happens, but like I said, the main reason is whenever you link your Xbox or Microsoft account to your Larian account and you try to use the cross-save feature, which essentially would allow you to transfer saves between platforms. But because it seems like it is broken, a lot of people just crash once it is enabled. If this wasn't the source of your issue, then unfortunately I'm not going to show any other methods in this video, but like I said, because this is the most popular one, I believe most people who face the issue of Baldur's Gate 3 crashing will be able to resolve it by disconnecting their Xbox accounts like so. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Baldur's Gate 3 crashing on Xbox. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.